Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1. We are learning unit 14. Its title is Girls and Boys. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I am going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. And my dear students, today we are going to start reading and understanding the poem. Before this, in your unit 10, I have taught you how to read aloud. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again. And every time, beta, in our class, we read aloud. So today we are going to read aloud 3-letter words with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. This is our today's SLO. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 13. Indeed, the most noble of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Indeed, Allah is knowing and aware. Yes, my dear children, what this beautiful verse is telling us, beta, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, in the sight of Allah, who is most noble? Who is most noble? Who does the good things, who is righteous, who has fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Has Allah mentioned the righteous man or righteous woman or righteous boy or righteous girl? No. This is whosoever, either it's a boy or a girl, a man or woman, whoever does good things, Allah likes that person. So, if Allah does not discriminate or Allah does not make a difference between man or woman, should we? No. Because in the sight of Allah, man and woman are equal and Allah likes man and woman who are good in their habits, who follow the commands of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Right? So, beta, this is the message of this verse and this is the message of the poem which we are going to learn today. So, before starting, first you tell me, do you think boys and girls are equal? Do you think so? Pause the video, answer this question to your teacher and then come back. Yes, my dear students. Yes, boys and girls are equal. The only difference is one is good, who does more good things, right? Okay, so let's start our today's poem. If you are a boy, if you are a girl, then you should know that we are equal, right? So, either you are a boy or you are a girl. Boys should not say to girls, we are better, and girls should not say, we are better. We all are equal, right? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given a beautiful brain to all of us. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given hands to all of us, tongue to all of us. So, beta, all these blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala we should use for good purposes. This is equal, either you are a boy or a girl. Okay? We are same, both me and you. We are same, me and you. Boy can go to school, girls can too. Yes, you are sitting in your school. Either you are a girl or you are a boy. You are sitting in your school and you are learning things. Right? So, nobody is like, you are equal for this. My voice is reaching to boys and girls both. I am telling the good things to boys and girls both. You are equal. Now, the difference is how do you learn the things and how do you act on these things. If you learn good things and you do good things as well, that makes a difference. Right? But in fact, we all are same because we can get education, we can go to school, we can learn, right? Girls can be teacher, boys can be too. Yes, a girl can be your teacher and a boy can be your teacher as well. And out of you, if a boy wants to be a teacher when you will be grown up, very good. And a girl can also be a teacher. This is how there is no difference. We are same. Boys can be pilot, girls can be too. What are pilots, by the way? Who is a pilot? A pilot is a person who flies the plane, right? Who flies any aircraft is known as pilot. So, if a boy can be a pilot, girls can be too, right? So, in this way, we are equal. Girls can also work hard to be a pilot and boys also need to work very hard to become a pilot. So, better opportunities are same. This is how we respond to these things, okay? So, here I am stopping the reading of this poem. Rest of these stanzas we'll study inshallah tomorrow. So far what we have learned, let's practice it through an activity. Your teacher will divide class in groups and teacher will write 3-letter words. Okay, teacher, you are going to write 3-letter words on board and students who will read these words aloud. Right, and teachers, if they need any correction, kindly correct them. I have given a list of 3-letter words in lesson plan. You may follow the same or make your own list, but make sure every child is able to pronounce, to say, to read the word correctly, which is a 3-letter word. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good, you are smart. I know you can read these words. So it's time for your homework. You will practice 3-letter words from your book with accuracy in pronunciation. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan and PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear students, what you are going to do, you will read out these words and circle the word that does not belong to them. Okay, so all are 3-letter word. First you will read out and from every set there is one word which does not match, so you have to circle that. All right, so what we have learned today, we learned to read 3-letter words with accuracy in pronunciation. So we achieved our SLO to read aloud 3-letter words with a reasonable level of accuracy in pronunciation. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again and we'll complete the reading of this poem. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.